Hey guys, on another Insta hack tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how to do rainbow text in your Insta stories. This is so fun. So let's get started. We're gonna pick a background. I'm gonna go with white. You're gonna hit text and you're gonna type in the text that you want to be rainbow color or whatever color. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on various things. So rainbow, and you're gonna hit the top, highlight it, and you're gonna hit the top left blue button and hold it down until you see a white arrow pop up. Bam, you keep holding down. And then you're gonna hold down a color until the color palette pops up. Now once you're here, you're holding down and you're going to simultaneously move your fingers across the text and across the color palette at the same time. This way you get that rainbow color that you want. And once you're done and pick the last color, you let go and bam, you are all done with that one and you have a beautiful rainbow. That's pretty neat, right guys? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys another one. We're gonna go ahead and do a reverse rainbow. So you can actually go backwards in your colors. So again, highlight top left button or top left blue circle button, hold down until you see the arrow, and then you're gonna press on a color until the color palette. Now also, at the same time, simultaneously move your finger on the text as the same time that you're moving your finger on the color, all the way down until you want to stop. I'm gonna stop at purple, and bam, a reverse rainbow. Pretty cool. I love this, guys. Next one I'm gonna show you guys how to do is I'm gonna show you guys how to do gold. So you can do this with almost any color, but gold is highlighted. We're gonna go ahead and go from like the dark mustard all the way up to a light color to light yellow to give that gold effect. So you can do this almost on any color that you want. I just did it for this one. The next one I'm gonna show you guys how to do is gradient. Now gradient is when you go from light to dark or dark to light in one color or even multiple colors. You're gonna highlight it, top left button till the arrow comes up, and then you're gonna hit whatever color you want. I'm gonna go with purple, and I'm gonna move down from the dark purple, going upward to the light purple while I move my finger across the text. So you see that it gets lighter and lighter. And then I stop and I'm done. So I've done a beautiful, beautiful gradient color purple on that. You can do that with almost any color you want. Also, another one you can do is we can mix it up. So if you want some random colors from going from light to dark to blue to yellow to green or whatever, you can do that. Like I'm gonna go from blue to light blue to yellow all the way to pink. So I'm just moving my finger anywhere on the screen of what I want to do. Obviously you will probably have a better color scheme than me right here, but I just randomly picked colors. So mix up your colors. You can also go from light colors. So you don't have to go all the dark colors. You can move up your finger up to the lighter, whiter colors. Give this a pastel type of look. So again, you highlight top left corner and click the color palette, and bam, you have a beautiful light pastel look. You guys, if you like, follow, share, and comment. We'll see you guys later.